This video will show you how to remove the stock intake on all 2010 through 2014 GT Mustangs.
All right guys, now in order to uninstall our factory intake, we have to remove our engine cover. In order to do that, we have to take our engine brace off. Now, if you don't have a strut tower brace, you can skip that step and go right for the cover. We've got one on here, so I'm gonna grab a 13mm socket, deep socket, and remove both nuts on both strut towers. All right, with these out of the way, you can lift up on your brace and remove it. From here, what you can do is lift straight up on your engine cover and it just pops out of position. You can set that aside too. All right, now that we have access to our intake tubing, before we loosen it up from the throttle body, I'm actually gonna remove the two tubings. We have one, our sound tube, and then two, the PCV breather hose going to the valve. So for this, what you're really gonna do is just pull back on the gray locking tab and just release. It's that simple. For this hose clamp, you do need a pair of pliers. So I've got one here. You're really just gonna pinch, hold it together, and then pull back. Pinch it until you hear the click, pull back, and then you can let go. While we're unplugging things and taking hoses off, let's disconnect our MAF sensor right here on the front. Underneath of it, there's gonna be a red locking tab. You just wanna pull straight back on that, then pinch and disconnect. It's that simple. And here you can see that locking tab. So originally it'll be pushed down, just pull it straight back. You're gonna push in right here, pinch and pull. All right, just two quick things we have to do. Grab an 8mm socket and we're gonna loosen up this clamp here. If you don't have an 8 socket, you can use a flathead. You can put the flathead right in there and loosen it up. This is just a little quicker. All right, and then if you want, you can just disconnect. All right, so now you can grab a 10mm socket and remove this one bolt holding on the factory heat shield. All right, from here, just make sure your tubing is out of the way. You can disconnect that from the housing. It's just kind of a retainer there. Pull up all together the intake. It should come off all in one piece.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.